What's going on, everyone? It's Boosted J. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Euro plate filler for the E30 if you have a US spec car. It's actually pretty easy. I'm going to make this look really simple, and I'm going to start by taking it apart and showing you guys how to start and get your end product looking like this. And pretty much that's about it. Oh, and also we're going to be installing these rear lights, these license plate lights, because these OEM ones that are on the car right now are just complete trash. You're just gonna want to start by basically unscrewing your license plate. So on this one, I've only got two Phillips holding it in, and then it'll just drop out. Up here on the US cars, you have these little I guess they're like guides for the screw to go in, so when you mount your license plate you guys can actually see the square outline, but on the bottom you have to remove them, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove them in just a second. But pretty much that's what you have to do, and when you take them out there's going to be holes that go directly inside of your trunk. And so if you drive your car in the rain and you don't want to worry about leaks inside, then you would fill the holes with this gasket maker. Now this is all removable, so I'm not really worried about it. So these holes were already existing. They're just covered up by these little pins. So you just take them out and then you fill them up. So just above the carpet lining in the trunk is right here is the latch for the trunk lock. And so you would just pull this back. Obviously you have to take it out from the trim piece, and you would get a set of pliers, and then you can twist it from the outside, and you can see the gap right there, and you just want to squeeze the gap closed and push out. So I'm going to line it up for myself and go to work. So that angle is really difficult to work with. I was trying my best to show you guys, but you guys can see the pin is right there, and I whittled it out just enough to where I can come out on this side now and pull it out, and you guys can see right there exactly how it works. So you just pinch this side together and squeeze the gap closed, and then once you get it out enough you can just pull it out, and then there's the hole that I'm talking about, and that goes directly inside the trunk, and you guys can see right there where the light is coming in. So guys, here's the plate filler, and you can see the two factory holes that were you're supposed to mount it from originally, and you can see the two holes that I drilled up here, the one right here and the one up here, and those line up with the top pins in the license plate mounting that I just showed you guys a few minutes ago. And so what I did to drill these holes were, I used this metal bit, and it's like a 5/8, and I just drilled right through it, and it's literally the same size as the pins that hold on the license plate. So these holes just slip right over it, and it locks it in kind of snug. I have a little bit of wiggle room so I can adjust how this sits on the back of the car, so it can either sit a little bit to the left, to the right. Obviously we want a dead center, and I can get it there. Also, before you guys throw this on too, if you have a sound system, it would be really good to throw on some 3M tape around the lining of this. That way you don't have that nice license plate rattle coming from the trunk area when you do throw this on, which I currently have, because as you can see, I didn't put 3M tape. But I'm gonna take care of that after we do the license plate light. I'm one of the baddest motherfuckers of all time. So now we just gotta disconnect these couple wires right here, get the bulb and put it in the new unit, and we'll be good. Connect the power and the ground, and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. That is how you install a Euro plate filler on a US spec E30. So now if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you guys. Thanks for stopping by to the channel again. Oh, also, one more thing. I also picked up one of these at the Garage meet the other day. Strut tower brace. So now this thing corners
pretty nicely actually. I'm gonna make a separate video of me sanding it down a little bit and painting it, probably to match the blue with the manifold and the valve cover. So anyways, with that being said, guys, thanks for stopping by to the channel again. I'm Booster J. See you guys in the next video. Peace.